In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set holidays in Hubstaff. If you need to manage company holidays so your team's schedule stays accurate, Hubstaff makes that process pretty straightforward. In this walkthrough, we'll go through where to find the holiday settings and how to begin adding a holiday policy inside your workspace. To get started, open Hubstaff and look for the calendar area in your dashboard. From there, click the left arrow on the calendar. This helps you move out of the main calendar view and into the broader scheduling and time management section, where holiday-related settings can be accessed more easily. Once you've done that, click on Time Off Requests. This is the section where Hubstaff groups leave management features, including vacation time, time off approvals, and holiday settings. If you're responsible for managing team availability, this is an important area to become familiar with. After opening Time Off Requests, click on Settings. This will take you to the configuration area for time off and holiday options. Settings is where administrative controls usually live, so if you ever need to adjust policies later, this is the place to return to. Next, click on Holiday Policies. This section is specifically designed for setting up holidays that apply to your team or organization. It helps ensure that holidays are formally recognized in the system, which can improve reporting accuracy and reduce confusion around expected workdays. Now click Add Holiday. This begins the process of creating a new holiday entry. At this stage, you're telling Hubstaff that you want to define a holiday that can be included as part of your organization's policy. After that, click Next. This moves you forward into the setup flow, where Hubstaff will guide you through the remaining details needed to complete the holiday setup. From here, simply follow the on-screen prompts. Hubstaff will present the fields and options you need to review, such as the holiday details and any related policy settings. Take your time here to make sure everything is accurate before confirming, especially if the holiday will affect multiple team members or officers. As a quick tip, it's a good idea to double-check your holiday entries after saving them so you can confirm they appear correctly in your policy list. That can help prevent scheduling mistakes later on. And that's it. That's how to set holidays in Hubstaff.